Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can make your Instagram private. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead and access your Instagram on your phone. Once you have simply accessed your Instagram, all you have to do is simply tap on this profile icon given below right corner of the screen. Now afterwards, go ahead, tap on this three horizontal line on top right corner, and now tap on this settings and privacy. It will simply open up the setting for your account. All you have to do is simply scroll down and tap on this option of account privacy. You can see our account is public, so we can see this is turned off. If you tap on this, now you can see again you have to simply confirm, tap on switch to private, and now our account is private. Whenever somebody tries to follow us, we will be able to receive notification and we can confirm who can follow us and whenever they send us the request for us. So that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.